What are the absolute must-try dishes when you think of Thai food? Let's dive into the top three. First up, the iconic Tom Yum Goong. This spicy and sour prawn soup is a flavor explosion. Imagine giant river prawns swimming in a hot, fragrant broth filled with lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves, and galangal. That final squeeze of lime just brings it all together. Next, we have samtam, the zesty green papaya salad. It's a perfect mix of spicy, sour, salty, and sweet. Freshly shredded green papaya is pounded with bursting cherry tomatoes, peanuts, and fiery chilies. It's crunchy, refreshing, and incredibly addictive. Finally, the king of curries, the salmon. This rich and creamy curry is packed with tender beef that just melts in your mouth, along with potatoes and roasted peanuts. It's mild, sweet, and unbelievably delicious. So, which one are you trying first? Let me know in the comments and don't forget to follow for more.